Welcome to solverfy.
This problem asks us to show that if 101 people are standing in a line, each with different heights, that 11 of those people are standing in such a way that their heights are either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing as we move through the line. To solve this problem, we will use the pigeonhole principle. Recall, the pigeonhole principle says that if you have n items and you're to sort them into n containers, if m is greater than n, then you're going to have a container that contains more than one item. So if we consider our line to be composed of person 1, person 2, person 3, all the way to person 101, then we can consider creating height containers where we place people into the container matching their appropriate height. But as m, or your number of items, in this case your number of people, grow, then the process of breaking everything into containers becomes incredibly tedious and could possibly lead to some errors that we would hope to avoid. So to avoid them, we will apply an extension of the pigeonhole principle called the Ramsey theorem. The Ramsey theorem states that if you have a set composed of n squared plus 1 items, there is a subset of n plus 1 items in which that subset follows a pattern. So in our case, we want our pattern to be increasing or decreasing heights. So now we can get to work with some of the math. We know that there are 101 individuals in this line, and using the Ramsey theorem, we can set n squared plus 1 equal to 101. Solving this for n will give us a value of 10. n equals 10. Now that we know that n equals 10, we can go back and plug that value into the value stated in the Ramsey theorem. And so now we have 10 plus 1 equals 11. So what we have shown using the pigeonhole principle and the extension known as the Ramsey theorem is that there have to be a set of 11 people in this line of 101 people in which their heights follow some sort of pattern. And in this case, that pattern is their heights increasing or decreasing.